let's get back to talking about, communication and company culture and how to develop leadership. You talked about it at a certain point because we had a little pre-call, right? So let's
Right.
go back to that. You're saying, you prioritize speaking less, but saying more when you communicate. Can you go
Right.
deeper on this?
First of all, it's not easy. Takes a lot of practice. There's a lot of good tools out there where you can record yourself doing a presentation. And I encourage everyone, the first time you listen to yourself speak, you're going to hate it. It's uncomfortable, but it
Yes.
gets better in time.
Yeah.
So someone told me something a long time ago, and I had to go Google it, which I Googled for this call,
Yeah.
which is a famous quote that Woodrow Wilson had, which he said, someone asked him to make a speech. And he said, well, it depends. If I'm to speak now, I need a week to prepare. If I'm going to speak for 15 minutes, I need 3 days to prepare. If I'm going to speak for a half an hour, I only need 2 days. And if I'm going to speak for an hour, I'm ready now. And it really talked about how if he only wanted to speak for a few minutes, if he wanted to get everything that he wanted to say, he needed a lot of time to prep for it. And for whatever reason, that just stuck with me, even though I heard it 30 years ago.
Yeah. No, it's spot on. It is spot on. It's I think as well as the more comfortable, of course, you are within your industry or what you're talking about or what you have of your experience, right? The better you can nail it down. But other times, if it's you're new or fresh or a new talent in the industry and you're not too sure, then suddenly you can be like talking forever around it, right?
Yeah.
So you need to you have to find the balance and trust yourself as well.
Agreed.
If you like Leadership in Manufacturing podcast, don't forget to subscribe, rate, and share the show wherever you get the podcast. Our podcast is for interested decision makers like yourself, providing a personalized experience to elevate your leadership journey. So be sure to tune in. You'll have access to a wealth of practical advice and innovative strategies, boosting and refining your leadership style. So check it out. It's on leadershipinmanufacturing.com. Remember, stay curious, keep learning. See you next time.